How to delete Facebook account. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can delete your Facebook account. So deleting your Facebook account is a straightforward process, but it's important to understand that once your account is deleted, you will lose access to all of your content, messages and data associated with your Facebook account. So if you are sure about your decision, you have to follow this step. So before deleting your account, you might want to download a copy of your data, including photos, posts, and messages. Open up your Facebook, go to your Facebook here, and you have to go for your menu icon which is on the top right. And click on the setting and privacy and go for your setting. Once you are on your setting here, just go for the see more in account center and you have to go for your personal detail. Once you are on your personal detail, just tap on that. Once you have tapped on that, just go for the deactivation or deletion and you have to select your day account and go for the delete account and go for the continue option. And after you have to click on the continue option and click on the continue option. So you have to provide your password to permanently delete your account. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily delete your Facebook account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.